Hey everyone, it's Tor here. How you doing? Hope you're well. Thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing. Today I have the OnePlus Buds Pro again, but this time it's the Radiant Silver. As you know, OnePlus launched the OnePlus 10 Pro in China recently, and the back of that they actually launched a new color of the OnePlus Buds Pro in this kind of Radiant Silver, they call it. And as you can tell, this is quite a shiny box. These are only in China at the moment. No idea if they're coming to the Western markets yet. I'm sure they will. First thing you can see from the box is it's the same style of packaging as the normal stuff. There's nothing much difference there, but you can tell it is silver comes through in the entire box. You got a dark gray color there. You got this kind of lighter silver. The actual buds is a very shiny, kind of embossed image. Continues around the sides. It's got a nice, very silver. The rest of the specs, these are pretty much identical to the normal buds. So there's nothing, don't expect anything different, tech-wise or improvements as such. It's the same buds as we had before. It's just a different color, that's all. And obviously the packaging is different, but let's unbox them and see how they look. A quick comparison, as I was just saying earlier. So these are the matte blacks. And you can see right off, right, this is a standard OnePlus colors, right, the red branding, the white. These are actually quite different. It's almost like they've taken these through a black and white or a monocolor filter, and you've got these. So it's quite different actually. It's kind of cool. Very shiny. And the back, let's say the specs they're pretty much identical. It's gonna be the same thing. But yeah. So without further ado, let's have a look. Let's check this out. I'll be curious if if the quality of the materials is actually any better, if they really are like this metal backed, as they call it. And I wonder if that should be like less scratch resistant than say the Nothings or something. The usual. Ta-da! Oh my god! Oh guys. It is like a bloody mirror. It's shiny as hell. Oh my god. Yeah, it's very silver. It's the same kind of packaging. I mean, same sort of style, same sort of setup as we had with the previous ones. But I mean that silver is, damn. That's a silver. That's like a mirror. It's shiny. You could you do your makeup with that. I don't know. That's yeah, that's really silvery and shiny. That's pretty neat though. And let's see inside, and then more silver inside. This is very silver. Yeah, but it's gonna be the same. This is all gonna be the same stuff, just different coloring. But it's yeah, that's quite silver. I wonder if the charge cable is different as well. Is that any different? Oops, it's still a red. It's still a red cable though. Okay, so it's still a red USB charge cable. It'd be kind of cool if they actually made that silver. I mean, to go with the whole design and coloring, but well. And I'll just ruin the box, but that's fine. I could do that again. And the usual stuff. This is all the same, to be honest. That's the same. And yeah, silver on the inside. Let's put it away. So look, we got these. Damn. So comparison with the blacks, I mean it is very shiny. I mean, you're making a statement for these. These make a statement. These are like, this is very bling bling, It's just like, it's not gold, but you got some bling bling there, It's quite smooth compared to the matte blacks. This is like a very smooth, I guess it's plastic. I'm not sure if it's metally backed or not. It does seem less scratchy though. And then, ooh, hey, and there we go. Look, so it's kind of like, it's more like a matte gray there on the inside, and these are quite silvery. And then there you go. So the whole stem is like that same silver color. with a sort of matte grey for the actual buds themselves. So that's that'd be quite shiny. People walking by, they'd be like, if they're staring at your ears, you know, they're not staring at your ears, they're just like trying to admire themselves in the silverness of the Buds Pro. But it's yeah, it does feel nice. I mean, it feels kind of smooth material-wise. I'm not sure if it is really metal or not. I need to play with that a bit more. I mean, it's different. There you go, the black ones, comparing those. I mean, it's not quite the same. Yeah, that's a bit more matte on there. These are more bright silver. But yeah, so there you have it. That is quite nice. It's just very shiny. It's actually more shinier than I thought it would be. But it's that's pretty cool. And there you have it. So thanks for watching. If you like this, yeah, I don't do much often, but yeah, like the video, subscribe, ask me in the comments about them,